Hello guys, welcome back again. In this video I will show the unboxing of this OnePlus 8 Pro mobile. So let's start it. Here you can see the box packaging, and this side they had mentioned an OnePlus 8 Pro. Here you can see, and the back side they had provided an QR code, and this side you can see the OnePlus and their logo, and back side they are provided some specifications that mentioned, and you can see it available in two colors. And the RAM was 12 GB, and storage 256 GB, and expandable up to 512 GB, and they are provided Dolby speaker. It was nice, and what the contents provided they had mentioned here, and nothing other than this. And this cost was 59,999. Now I will unbox this. It was worth or not to buy it, I will tell once I will open the box. And you can see the first, you can see the mobile phone. I will keep it as a side. I will tell what the contents provided in that. Here you can see these are some cards. I will remove and I will tell what is these cards. Here you can see I will remove all, and this was a red cable club card. They had provided one, and this was an SAR value also they had provided the card SAR value, and this was an recycling plastic recycling card, and this was an user manual, I think. This also keep it as a side, and this was an stickers. Never say tell the OnePlus logo and 8. This is some stickers, you can stick it. And this was an empty card, and this was an simulation tool they are provided in this. And now I will on this on the case. Oh, they are provided one case. You can see back how it flexible. It was nice. This also kept as a side how it kept as said how it was. And they are provided wrap charger also, and wrap charger you can see. And this was an 30 watts adapter, and you can see 30 watts. And backside they had provided one port and the OnePlus logo, and nothing other than this. This also kept as a side. And when we talk about the data cable, it was an type C, I think it was. It was an type C to micro USB cable. Here you can see it was the build quality was also superb. This also kept as a side, and nothing other than this in the box. Now I will talk about the phone. Here you can see the phone. The first impression, it was nice, the phone was. This also kept as a side, and the plastic wrapper they are provided. I will remove this first. Here you can see how the phone it was. It was very nice to see.
Here you can see that outer surface of the phone, they have given glass finish, and you can see that four cameras, three primary cameras and one flashlight, and they were given. And here you can see that Dolby Atmos speakers and Type C port, and they have given SIM ejection port also they have given. And we can see that it is in display fingerprint. We will now on the phone and see what are the features inside the phone. They have when we on OnePlus symbol, it's coming. Android OS it is showing. And now for starting of the Android system, they have given a nice procedure for Android starting system. It is good actually for seeing, and it's too fast also. And they have given, as I said, they have given an in-display fingerprint sensor. So many people likes this, and it's good actually. And this screen resolution is almost 120 Hz, I think so. I will show about the screen refresh rate, see how fast it is. And they have given inbuilt apps, these and all. They have given inbuilt apps. They have given. It's nice actually. And now we will see about this one what the settings we will go, and we will see about the features what and all about the phone, and about the Android systems we will see what are the features they have given. Android about the phone we will go and search. They have given that the processor given Snapdragon 865G, and storage they have given 128 GB 12 GB RAM, 256 GB inbuilt, and primary camera 48 MP, 120 Hz resolution, and it's Android 11 version actually, and it's Android OS. We know that OnePlus all Oxygen it runs. And storage which is having 256 GB inbuilt, and it's extendable up to 512 GB. And main special point you should search this is reverse charging capability. this is the main point in this phone. There is a sensor in behind this OnePlus phone where if you on that and kept kept aside, when the other mobile which is not having the reverse charging also, it takes the charge from OnePlus mobile. This is the main feature in this mobile phone. It is actually good. Actually, this is the first phone in OnePlus they have launched this. It's actually good. I have tried this also, and then we will see how the YouTube video clarity is up to date, and we will see the sound clarity also. Okay, sorry guys, some network issue was there. So now we will see that about that video clarity and all we will see now. Okay, we will see that we will keep at high resolution, as we know that 1080p is the highest resolution. We will change to that and we will see how the video clarity, and it is actually AMOLED screen, and we will see I have done a battery drain test also. We will see in that in next video. And this is the video clarity. It's nice actually, clarity is good, and voice also it's hearing very nice, and which is audible almost up to in outdoor and all. We can play the songs outermost. It's good actually. And screen also it's edge like type they have given. It's nice actually. Okay, now we will go on next feature. We will see that SIM ejection port. We will see how it is. In the not as every phone they have given, it is a different type SIM tray they have given this time, where in one slot you can put two SIM cards. In every phone they will give that two slots for two SIM cards. In this there is only one port and two slots where we can forward one SIM and backward one SIM you can put. This is a good feature which is only OnePlus mobile having this. This is actually good, and I will insert this. Okay guys, I will show. Thanks for watching guys, and please subscribe my channel. Bye guys.
So guys, this is the video of Dolly Bay Atoms. See and enjoy, and subscribe our channel for more videos and support us. Thank you.